Ever wish your screen could follow you everywhere? Tired of squinting at tiny displays on the go? Or struggling to find space for a big monitor at home? I used to juggle between my phone, laptop, and TV. Watching movies on a small screen? Not immersive at all. Gaming felt cramped, and multitasking was a headache. And outdoor glare? Forget about seeing anything clearly. But then I tried the XREAL One Pro AR glasses. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. These aren't just any smart glasses, they're a game changer. Powered by XREAL's self-developed X1 spatial computing chip. You get ultra-stable visuals even while moving. Native 3DOF tracking with just 3ms latency. No more screen shake or motion blur during fast action. Pair with XREAL Eye for full 6DOF spatial anchoring. Your virtual screen stays fixed in your room. Walk around freely. It feels like your screen is truly part of your space. The X-Prism optic engine is seriously impressive. You get a massive 171-inch virtual screen right before your eyes. That's like having a home theater, anywhere you go. 57-degree field of view fills your sight with vibrant visuals. Sony's micro OLED display brings colors and details to life. 120 Hz refresh rate means ultra-smooth, flicker-free visuals. No more eye strain, even after hours of use. And it's super lightweight, just 87 grams. Feels as natural as wearing regular glasses. Comfort is key. Adjustable arms, zero-pressure nose pads. Fits over 95% of users, thanks to dual IPD options. Built-in IPD adjustment software keeps everything crisp. No more blurry edges or uncomfortable pinching. And let's talk audio. These are tuned by Bose. Built-in speakers deliver rich, immersive sound. No need for extra headphones when gaming or watching movies. Calls and meetings sound crystal clear too. Bright sunlight? No worries. Up to 700 nits brightness keeps visuals clear anywhere. Electrochromic dimming lets you control lens tint instantly. Block out distractions or stay aware of your surroundings. Switching activities? It's super simple. One tap controls adjust brightness, display mode, and more. Customizable shortcuts keep your favorite settings close. Jump from gaming to meetings without missing a beat. Compatible with almost any device you own. Plug into iPhone 16, 15, Android, Steam Deck, Mac, PC, and more. Just connect via USB-C for instant AR magic. Need HDMI? Use an adapter for older devices. Capture photos and videos with XREAL Eye add-on. Perfect for gamers, tech lovers, and movie buffs. I use it for gaming marathons. No lag, no fatigue. Movies feel larger than life wherever I am. Even productivity is easier. Multiple screens, no clutter. And my eyes? Always protected. TÜV Rheinland certified blue light filtering built in. No flicker, so I can binge or work for hours. The design is sleek, looks good indoors or outdoors. People always ask what I'm wearing. Setup takes seconds. Just plug and play. No complicated apps or endless menus. Everything feels smooth and intuitive. From gaming to movie nights, it adapts instantly. And when I'm done, they slip right into my bag. No bulky gear or tangled wires. If you love tech, you'll love this experience. If you love movies, prepare to be blown away. If you game, you'll never go back to a regular screen. XREAL One Pro AR glasses have changed how I see everything. It's like carrying a cinema, a gaming rig, and a workspace everywhere. Ready to upgrade your reality? Try XREAL One Pro today and see the difference. Trust me, your eyes and your mind will thank you. Click the link to get yours and step into the future.